We're going to learn how to tie a bowline on a bight. This can be tied anywhere midline on the line. I'm going to use close to the end because that's what's easier for me right now. But to tie the bowline on a bight, you're going to need a longer bight of rope, like so. Then we're going to take, and we're going to form with both strands, we're going to form our loop, distinctive loop. Then we're going to take the other end, and we're still going to have the rabbit come out of the hole, but this time we're not going around itself through the back. We're actually going to pull it forward, and we're going to, still pinching here, we're going to capture these two other loops. So we've made similar to a girth hitch here, but we're going to fold it all the way around itself so that it comes all the way up here. And then we're going to make sure that we're dressing it. See, I've got this crisscrossed here. We're going to make sure that we're dressing these so that everything looks nice, parallel, like so. And then we're going to slowly dress and set it so that everything is in unison. And that is the bowline on a bight. This gives us two distinct ears, but also offers us the ability to have twice the support and twice the bend radius on this U, which is the weak part of this knot. You can still fashion carabiners and hardware to these loops. And this is one of my personal favorite loops if I am trying to shorten my SRT line to some sort of anchor point near the base of the tree.